As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Master Cook 4-burner. What do you think?
Both seem decent. The Char-Broil is definitely more compact, right? It's got 280 square inches of cooking space.
Yeah, and it's cheaper at $139. Says it can handle about 12 burgers, which is fine for my small family.
True, but the Master Cook is $259. But it offers significantly more space, 518 square inches total.
Double the space. That's quite a jump. What about the burners?
The Char-Broil has two main burners putting out 20,000 BTUs, plus a side burner. The Master Cook, though, has four main burners totaling 48,000 BTUs and tried a lidded side burner with 12,000 BTUs. So you're getting way more heat output.
More BTUs is better for searing, right?
Exactly. If you like a good sear on your steaks, the Master Cook might be the better choice.
Okay, good point. What about materials?
Both are stainless steel, but the Master Cook seems to emphasize its stainless steel lid and control panel more.
I see. The Char-Broil mentions porcelain-coated wire grates, while the Master Cook has enamel cooking grates. Any difference there?
Enamel is generally better for heat retention. Also consider the size. The Char-Broil is smaller overall, at 45.6 inches wide versus the Master Cook's 55 inches. If space is a concern, the Char-Broil wins.
Right, dimensions matter. The Char-Broil is lighter too, only 37.5 pounds.
The Master Cook is slightly heavier at 37.1 pounds, despite being bigger. It also has a cabinet structure, which could be useful for storage.
Storage is always a plus. Both have side shelves, though, and they both have about the same rating with 4.1 out of 5 stars.
True, but look at the number of reviews. The Char-Broil has way more, 2,700 versus the Master Cook's 590. That suggests a more established product.
Good catch. So basically, the Char-Broil is compact, cheaper, and more popular. The Master Cook is bigger, more powerful, and has more cooking space and a cabinet.
Exactly. It really depends on your needs. Small family, tight space, and budget conscious, Char-Broil. Larger gatherings, need more searing power and want storage? Master Cook.
Thanks, that helps a lot. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.